Good afternoon. I know some of you have had issues logging into Connect, so I wanted to send over this quick video. First, you'll take the URL provided in the email from Professor Bear, and you should come to this welcome page, ARC 1520, Daniel Bear. From here, if you have ever accessed Connect before, you'll use your same credentials to log into this course. If you've never logged in before, you will have to create credentials, and you can do that down here. Email. Then you should come to this course materials page. You'll see 4 different options to receive course materials. We have provided a complimentary Connect access code to you all, also provided in the email from Professor Bear. You'll take that access code and plop it right here and then click Redeem. From there, you should have access to the full course, any assignments that Professor Bear will create in that account, as well as the ebook. If for some reason your access code is not working, please, for the time being, click Temporary Access, and you will be able to have 2 weeks for free. And during that time, I will have codes created so that you can access. But you should not have any access logging in with the code given. If you are experiencing any issues within Connect, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support group. They are readily available and extremely helpful. We do urge you to reach out to them over your professor, as they can share screens with you and really understand any issues that you might be having. Please don't hesitate to reach out though if you do need help. Thank you again for your time, and good luck.